Hello everybody and happy Friday. Thought I'd just do a little extra video today just to show you my finished block for the February's Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. Now it's all finished, so I thought I'd just talk you through it. I've right enjoyed this. So I've completed now all my flowers, done them all quite different, and here I've done some loops with viscose ribbon with some French knots in the middle. Here I've done some stem stitch and some bullion knots with the string, paper string, which we did a video on. Here I've got some scrim in there, and I've got some beads all beading around there. A lovely background of all different textures and thicknesses. Here we had a play with working with wools and thickened fabrics, so I did a lovely flower there with that's with the string. And then on the bottom here I did it's got a little flower charm on there, and then I've put some beading, so we've got a little garden of beads there on the bottom there. So I'm really pleased with how that's turned out. All the flowers are really distinctive, and I think I've achieved that by using different thicknesses and different types of yarn. So we've got viscose ribbon, we've got thick 6-strand cotton, we've got perlé, we've got wool, we've got different beading, and we've got some linen in there. We've got string, paper string, and wool and beading, so I'm really pleased with that. So now we're into March, and that's been announced. Now I didn't have time to finish the second one I was doing. I've just been too busy to get that done, but I will do this month. This is just going to be some daffodils. I wanted to have a bit of a yellow daffodil theme for that, but I've not really done much more to that. Just done some just some bits of you know, stitching along there with different thicknesses. I'm trying to think what I've done. I think mostly perlé and linen, I think, on there, so just do some filling in. So we're here, March, and for March they've got antique or reclaimed recycled fabrics, and then a bright butterfly. So I've just put together the different fabrics that I want to use. I mean, they are all reclaimed bits, and I wanted to get all different textures in this. So this is the end of a really old chunk of, it's really thick, so I think that's probably hemp that I got ones in a pack from Rachel. I have got some cheesecloth or scrim. I've got some highly woven fabric there. We've got some more like a linen fabric. We have got some thick, like a thick burlap, and then we have got some Indian cotton. And I want to have the plain backgrounds because obviously if we're going to do a really bright butterfly, you don't want it to be clashing with a highly patterned background. So what I've just been doing is, I haven't finished yet, I'm just stab stitching it all down so that then I can then do some sewing on it, and that's where I've got to so far. So yeah, we're on to block 3 now, so that's exciting. I love everything that's got texture in it, and next week I'm going to show you a few paint effects that we can add to fabric in our sewn works. I thought we'd look at that next week and just alter the look of this background a little bit with paint effects. So don't forget to subscribe so that when I do put that up you'll be notified. Okay then, my lovelies, so have a lovely weekend, stay safe out there, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.